Chibai le vek ule tun tum chu Mackinac Island lama kan hun man na video karon da dona. Mackinac Island hi Michigan State chung lama ani a. Tlo tu anga thin maya. Helai hmuna hian motor kal phal ani lawa. Motor kal an phal lo shima bicycle le carriage te atam mai ni. Ole tuna lo lang mek hi Mackinac Bridge ani a. Helei do hi Ministry sangka zakwa songa pali khan an lo satan to a. Publica an hon ni hi November ni khat sangka zakwa songa pasari ani a. Asak dan tur how tak ngai to hianin an sarai lo zo khop maya. Amun vel hi an nuam ema. Helei do hi a sei zong hi mel nga lai maya sei ani. Ruasurnan avot lut alum lut tuklawan anuam thau mai.
Hey guys, right now we're at the bridge and it's raining.
Ruasur. Hello Sarah. Sarah ini hello man, nom vete se. Papa, hello man. Pakata. Kate. Hi Sarah. Ro aron sura hey reipo kan man lawa hotel lampanin kan kirle don ani. Mackinac City a hian zan khat hotel a kan riaka anak tuk zinga kan kalna tur mun lampanin kan chuak le a tuna kan chuan mek hi bus ani a ferry chuan na tur muna khan parking a zawlem lo wangin car a khatchak maya chuan kan thlenna hotel a khanin bus an gautir theya bus in miron la a chuan hei ferry chuan na tur mun chu kan va thleng phai le der to mai ni a hla lowa a in nailom ema maro chu ke a han kal don chuan a hla vi deuh hleka bus hi hian service renga an gautir thai renga ni kan kal ni kher hi ni khwa a thalowa ro asur sera chuan kan kal na mun hi chunglama ani awangin a vot deuh hlek thina weather te enin korlum in ken te po angai thina ni Ole hei tuna chuan ferry a chuang turin kanin lai me kani hi o tuna lo lang hi kan chuan tur chu ani a aron thleng ve chi ani Ole hei longa kan lut chi a ro asura wangin an hnuai lampan tu an tam deuh hleka achunga chuan thu tur hi kan tam vak mel lawani achunga chuang te hi kan tam vak lawa hei kan thol tha khop maya video han la vil te po arim maya ni asat hi chuanin achunga hian an tam thin ema video han la kwal vel te po kha arem sang lo deuh zo ka maro chu hei voin chu du tokin video kan la kwal thei do ni hi na kan long chuan ang hi ferry an ti a hei ferry pakhat po aron thleng le si a voin ang ni khwa thalawa po hian mi hi an lo tam thawa tlo tu anga thina ni helai island hi anuam maya mun te hi family vacation ang chi te po hian kal an tam thin ema tun chomi kan kau shan mingin kan kal ve a hei anuam ema aman hla tak zetani o long hi akal chak utuka phone hi film khur de waken lo chuanin tuya atlak pal hi ala om ema atlak vai chuanin charngai na om to don si lawa thattaka kenanga ni phone video le camera ang chi te po khamo thla te kan la do ani chuan phone kha nge de waken nga ni also the lai so bridge kha ani a hei alo lang de data khwa adur ema wa hian alang fia vak theilawa island vatling tur hian minute som panga vel long hianin kan kala kan kal chak marine ain kan thleng ma phian maya hei also tilaya lo lang so Grand Hotel anti a alar helai muna chuan thlinman atau maya helai Grand Hotel hi chuan helai hmun hi history tha tak tak ngai nom tak tak atam em maya man ang laya an hun lo man dan ang chi temo shatur atam em mai ni rala tanga hetia thlir mai po hian a hmun so anuam don ani ti hi a hriat ngoi ngoya a moi em maya thlir po hi anuam tak zet ani ole tuna chuan kan sukna tur hmun kan lo thleng to a hnuai lama chuang ho chungte ho po hei aron chuak chho to a island chu kan han fang tak tak don ani ole hei kan thleng to a sui to ang khan motor mu tur om don lova bicycle le carriage sakor to lai lir kan ti ang chi kha khami ho kha kan mu teu don ani o tuna lo lang hi carriage ani a grand hotel ti alo inzia ka an hotela thleng tur deuh tan bik chuan tur ani mel amun vel hei anuam le tuka carriage hi helai hmuna hian taxi ti in an ko maya chuanin hei an invel ti man lai deuh rei boxi amoi em mai ni ko thlir hi an chei moi em maya hai pangpar moi tak tak an khai thluah maya mun tina hian pangpar mu tur oma nun an tilim em mai ni kongsira hian bicycle chuang du te tan ho na tur dor chi sang sang alo oma chuanin carriage chuang tur tan po ticket le na tur kha amun so ta son a oma ke ni po chumi mun chu panin kan kal ve me kan ai lar to o helai hmun hi carriage chuang tur te tana ticket leina hmun ani a kan in line ve me kani kan carriage chuan tur po alo thleng to a hei anuam don khop maya heta hian kan chuang don ani
How's everybody doing today?
Great.
All right. Everyone excited to be on Mackinac Island?
Yeah.
I am. Guys, I've only been driving solo for 4 days. Yeah. They put me through a crash course, intensive training for about a week, maybe a little just over a week. I used to drive carriages in New York City with a single horse buggy. This is a little bit. In the 1800s, millions of dollars in birds are traded here. 1 year alone, I think there was $3 million. Just make sure that we're okay. Unfortunate accident involving a fur trader who accidentally shot himself in the stomach while cleaning his musket. He left himself a hole about the size of a silver dollar. Fortunately, there was a doctor up at the fort.
helai hmuna hian bolhlo pai tu motor ang chi te po kha a om ve lo wangin an bolhlo pai dan an bolhlo lak dan te hei kan mu fu hlo maya sakor in hnu ka anunga son bolhlo pai na ti son so bolhlo an pai dan chu lo langa adang dai lu tu ka hei motor garbage truck ang chi kha om ve lo wangin an bolhlo pai dan ani e
Nowhere hell, you have to pick up your own darn mail. We have the community hall and city offices here. This was the center of the fur trade right here, guys. Next door we have the courthouse and police station. You'll see some big white doors here on the right. Behind those doors, we hide a dark secret there on the island. We have a fire truck. We have a fire truck, and then behind these doors we have an ambulance and 2 police cars. Okay. Coming up here on the right, we have the Benjamin Blacksmith Shop into the Native American Museum. And on our left, we have Cindy's riding stable. If anybody wants to go horseback riding here, folks, we have 80 miles of road to explore. They rent the horses by the hour. I have no idea how many hours it's going to take to cover 80 miles. Now, on our right, we have the Mackinac Island Medical Center. We have a doctor on call here on the island 365 days out of the year. Or it's after 4. We have 5 veterinarians. They can help you out. They gave us an aspirin or take your temperature, but I'm not going to tell you how. Now, these 2 green buildings used to be hotels. They actually sit on Mackinac Island old graveyard.
Kachuna lam ni lo le lampanga son in sang te alo omreng maya ashan dan velte a han soya kan sakor khal tu hian an history hi angai nom the em maya inkal ve huna chuanin carriage hi in lo chuang ve ani chuan history ngai nom tak tak tikha in ngai thladon ani. O kan ma a lo lang mek so nim pai na ani a an nim tan na kha ti hian hei sakor bogin an thiara an na tho dan hi a hmu nom lutuka alung len thla bok sia mit an ti tlei tak zet ani.
We're protected from the elements with a layer of plexiglass because the winds can go up to 60 miles an hour. And then some years, K through 12 there, the classes are sometimes so small that one year we had a graduation class of just 2. Yeah, the prom was very awkward. Your kids are going to finish in the top 10 of the class here, guys. It was built by a lawyer at the total cost of $15,000. And then the state decided to purchase it.
Helai in lo lang hi Grand Hotel ani a USA President lo nito Harry Truman, John F. Kennedy, Gerald Ford, George H.W. Bush, Bill Clinton ti hian helai hotel hi an lo tlo ve to thin ani chuan an sakdan history te po hi angai nom em maya ni som kwa pathum chungin na thok tu mi zaruk ten an lo sa zo vek manani.
Statue of a pineapple right here, guys. That's the international symbol of hospitality. Strategically placed right in front of the Grand Hotel.
O helai hian kan soldona chuan helai moni museum ani a achunga te po an sakor thil lampang an thuam thil ang chi te thlir tur tam em ma maru chu khan lon chho pai to lawa tuna chuan hei carriage danga kan chuang le to don ani.
Over here on the left is Chelsea. Can we say, hey, Chelsea? Hey, Chelsea. And the guy in the middle is Horton. Can we say, hey, Horton? Hey. And that guy over there on the right, he's Dale. Can we say, hey, Dale? Hey, Dale. All right, great. They know their names. They appreciate it as much as I do. All right, this is the second half of your tour. It's going to be much different than the first, okay? We're going to be riding through Mackinac Island State Park. And while we do that, I'm going to share a little bit of history about the island with you. So, all right.
Tuna kan mek nam hun he arch rock nam hun ani a helai hun he alar ema Mackinac Island in local ve ani chuan in lo fang ve nge don nia. Tuna kan na hi asang ema annoya tangin fit zali somli paruk lai sang ani a chuan dil kama khwan kongpui an siama bicycle nen ankal thina amoi emani annoya dil zau de ulo lang hi aming chu Lake Huron ani a amoi ema clear hi anwam lutuka hunrei de man acha umpiao nan carriage nena kal kan ni awangin reide kan theilawa arch rock muna khan reilo te chau kan theya thala wat vata kal vat kha ngaya oi tuna chuanin kan chuan tan na khua kha kan thleng le to a anuam ema an khua hi a fai lutuka kenina han va vel nam po anuamin hadam ani chuanin sakor omna hmun ani awang hian sakor ek te po hmu tur om ve zewa sakor rim tlemin anam ve de bok thina chuan helai hmuna chengte hi an tamlo awangin an school no pangte po hai an tlem khop maya kan hmu fu hlau maya school no pangte an uniform te nen an moi khop mai o helaya in hnuai phei hawa sonin dor chi hrang oma chu dor te gift shop ang chi te mo thomnu dor ang chi te a om zela real time dana po eina tur mun kha atam maya ice cream ang chi thlengin oma hai anuam khop maya no pangte po no te ang chi te po phurna tur ang chi bicycle nunga phurna tur ang chi kha ho na hmuna om vekani ole tu na chuan holam kan lo nei to do na kan thian ten long chuan na hmuna min lo ngak to a kan va pan to do na ni tlailama chuan ni aron sa a boruak anuam khop maya hai tu na chuan in longa kan thleng le to a city lampanin kan ho le to do na chuan nakina video hmunam de alo oma atop thleng lo en sak don nia Anni hi island lampanin an kal le chia kaini kan chukna mun tur kan thleng ve le chia chuanin nakina Mackinac bridge le lampanga om khe sarraga kan kal dona kharlen kan tlan le me kani kan kala ma khai ro sur bok sia mo oi an lam tang da ri chu cái chiang em ô cái tiệm sẽ ăn đồ ăn rồi từ lúc tụi ole hei hi Castle Rock ani a asang ema flag lo omna khian kan han Londona gate a hianin aluna tura hianin inte lo oma chuta chuanin mi pakhat tan cheng khat an charge a aman thlome mai ni lu man hi step hi athui maya abin chho box sia rin a in ha thla khop maya o nichina flag lo lang kha hei kan han thleng chho to a achunga tanga anoi lam an thlir hian lu hi a hei ve du maya achunga tanga noi lam thlir hian in lu a hei ve de leka chuanin thingkung ho hi achunga tanga han en thlak hian an lo moi maya hei fall season a phei chuanin a moi viawin ka ring ani helai mun hi helai hmuna hi chuan thil dang an ti tur kha om vak lo wangin kan hole ngal dona achuk lam po hi chak taka kal thei mai po ani lawa a bir hian a bir thla a mawngcha in kan suka chuanin kal lam ai kha chuanin a ha dam dewani Mackinac Island na kan zin kong video karon da thei chu khati zong te kha an ni a kan video te min lo clear saka wangin kan lo me kan channel te min lo subscribe sak bela kan video hi e nom ti zong te ani chuan like min lo pek sak ton nia kan lo me. Thank you everyone.